Welcome to Spark Interview Question series, friends. In our today's session, we are going to look into a problem statement. We have a file, say it is a CSV file or a text file, and we are having some corrupted or bad data as shown here. We need to remove this bad data while reading a file itself. Let us see how we can do it. I will show a demo in both Scala as well as in Python. Before moving on to a demo, let us have a quick check on what all the modes available in our Spark read data frame reader, sorry, so that it will give us some idea on what we are going to do in our demo. Let's get started. We have three modes in a Spark data reader: permissive, fail fast, and drop malformed. Let us see one by one. Our default mode is a permissive, in which whether it is a corrupted record or it will just pull up the data and load it as a data frame. If schema doesn't matches with the record, with the bad record or the corrupted record, then it will add a null values to the column that is available in a schema. And fail fast is nothing but if we enable the fail fast mode, then it will start the process and it will fail through. It will throw an exception stating that you have a corrupted records and your mode is fail fast, so we can't proceed further. Please check your input file, like that. It will throw an exception. The one which we are going to look in our demo, and drop malformed is the one which says like it should match with the schema, otherwise it is a bad record. I will remove it. In our case, if you see, we have a file, we have a records in which we have a column of 3. I have taken it as sample, 3 columns: employee name, employee number, and department. And also we have some invalid entries in which we have only 2 data. One is for the entry name, whether what kind of corruption, and the description, short description for those things. And with this information, our drop malformed, what it will does is it will look in for the schemas that is available with the 3 columns. Only if there is a 3 column, it will pick up the data, and if there is 4 columns or 2 columns other than the 3 columns, then it will remove those records. So let us quickly move to a demo. We will check for all the 3 scenarios. I will show you. Let us open our Jupyter notebook for a PySpark. As usual, we opened a Jupyter notebook and I initiated a Spark session and Spark context. I have a input file like this, the same one that I showed you in a PPT, with some more few records added. Let me read this file first without any options. I will give header as true. Let us quickly check the output. Here you can see, like we have employee number, employee name, department, and in which the invalid records as well as is not removed, where in case it has null values for the columns that is not available with that. This is an example for a permissive method. Even if we declare option as a permissive or not, since it by default Spark takes it as a permissive, we are having a null values, and corrupted records overcome this. Now let us define a next option. I will give a mode and I will give it as fail fast. So this time if you see, while I'm hitting an action, it is throwing error, and it states like your mode is a fast mode and malformed CSV records. So in this way it will stop executing the further statements and it will fail. Let us quickly check for the other mode, which is drop malformed. Here you can see our all the null values got removed and the corrupted records got removed. So with this we will be able to remove the corrupted records. While we are using a drop malformed mode, it is advisable not to use the header as in the CSV file. Instead, let the header remain true itself, but declare a schema which can be used here. I will define a schema. Before that I have to import. I will import the required library. And I will define the schema as well. I am defining a struct type schema here. And a struct field. Instead of giving the column as same in CSV file, I will define it as col_1. I will give all the columns, I will provide it as a string type and nullable as true. In this way we will understand like whether the schema is taken from the schema that we are giving or else the CSV schema. So now I have declared the schema. Let me use that schema here. Let us check the output. You can see here the schema is inferred from the struct type that we have given, and also all the corrupted records has been removed. Hope you understood the concept of modes that is available in read data frame. Let us also see the Scala version of answer. I will just execute the commands that I prepared. I had opened a Anaconda prompt and opened a Spark shell. Let us read the input data first. We'll also define header to it. Let us check the data available using show command. And now we can see like this is a permissive mode in which we have all the records including corrupted records. Now let us add our another option. Of mode, and here the mode will be drop malformed. Now let us check the output. So here you can see corrupted records has been removed. Here as well you can create a struct type and declare a schema. I am leaving it to your side. Try it on your own. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and also give a thumbs up signal if you really like my content. Thanks for watching.